Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking Christmas Facebook post. So if you are trying to create a Christmas post and don't have any experience, you can create one in Canva. The best part of Canva is that you don't need to create your design from scratch. What you can do is simply choose a template you like and modify it. Just make a few adjustments and your post will be ready within a few minutes, even without any experience or design skills. Go to Canva and search for it. In the search bar, type Christmas Facebook Post. We are creating a post for Facebook, which is why we have added Facebook Post. If you want to create one for Instagram, you can search for Instagram Post. Now you can see the Canva templates available to me. I'll just click on See All to explore all the available options. Now you can see that posts with designs ranging from minimal to professional are available. The best part is that you can modify whichever one you like. You can simply choose any template. For now, I will go with this one. This one is a pro template, which means it is paid, but you can choose another one. Okay, this one is free. This one is free, and it looks good. I'll just click on it. I think I will go with this one instead. This one is free, and whichever template you like, click on Customize this template. Now you can see that I have full access to modify anything I want. Starting with the text, select a text element. And, to add text, double-click on it. Then add any text you like or remove the existing text. And now for more text customization features. If you want to change the font, click on Font. You can also change the font size, color, and style, including bold, italic, and underline. Just try out the different features. If you want to change the background, you can see that the current background is an image. To replace it with your own image, go to Uploads. Then, upload an image from your PC. For now, I will choose a random image from Pinterest. I'll browse through the options and maybe choose this one. I'll just copy and paste it here. To replace this background image with the one I uploaded, you can simply drag and drop it like this. It looks a bit wide, so I will go to the Elements tab. If you want to add an image from the Canva library, you can do so. Go to Elements, then search for Christmas background. Go to Photos, and now you can see that there are many photo options. Maybe I will choose this one. This background looks good and really enhances the design. I will just adjust my text to the center. Now you can see that this looks good. You can modify anything you like using the same process. If you want to add an image of your own, go to Uploads and upload your image. You can simply upload it like this and add it to your design. Try out these features, and you can add your own image if you want to add one. In a similar way, you can add your own images, text, background details, and anything else you would like to include. When you are satisfied with your design and ready to download it, rename your file here, then go to Share, select Download, and download it as a PNG or any other format you need. Just download it, and your Christmas Facebook post is ready to upload to Facebook. You created it within just a few minutes by making a few modifications and adjustments. Thank you for watching.